Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday, and it's probably or at least one of the most important weekends for the markets. We go home with a forecast that we're going to be dry over the weekend and dry most of next week across a big part of the U.S. Midwest. The maps hint that the ridge of high pressure that's causing this will break down late next week, and rains will move across the Midwest, especially north and east. It still could remain dry in the southwest corner. That, to me, would be a bearish forecast for prices. Overnight, beans and corn are a little bit lower, wheat's a little bit higher. After the USDA's numbers, and most analysts kind of looked at the numbers and put out their own private guess, I think that most analysts agree with the USDA that next year's U.S. soybean carryout will be bigger. They're a little bit bigger than USDA because of a little bit lower export number. In the corn, I think they agree with the numbers for now. Also a little bit higher carryout than USDA, also because of a little bit lower estimate of exports. We would, though, expect the USDA either today or Monday to announce a big sale of corn to China. China was around buying corn for new crop to fill their reserves. Again, that may not make a big difference in prices if the crop is normal. In the wheat, I think most people agree with the USDA's wheat carryout that was lower than expected, both U.S. and worldwide. They are a little bit higher than the U.S. carryout because they think that exports will be a little bit lower than USDA's estimate due to competition either from Europe or the Black Sea. So it's a weather market, and normally we go home, come in Monday, and the weather's okay and prices work lower. The last 3 years, though, Mother Nature hasn't cooperated and has remained dry in July, and crops have declined and prices have rallied. So this is a very important weekend for prices. Outside markets a little quieter. The dollar's a little bit higher, which is slowing some of the buying in commodities that we saw yesterday. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. And have a safe and profitable trading day.
Okay, cool. Thank you. ADM Brian.